Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to order a prescription refill through the Costco application or from the website. So first of all, simply come here either on costco.com or you need to launch your Costco application. Now over here, simply just hover over to the pharmacy section, and among the given options you just have to simply choose the option of refill prescriptions in order to basically access the prescriptions which are linked to your Costco pharmacy account. Afterwards, you need to simply just select the prescription that you want to refill, and you need to review the available refill details. You can also select multiple prescriptions if you want to request them together. Afterwards, you need to choose how you want to receive your prescription. So depending on your pharmacy and the location, you may be able to choose pharmacy pickup, delivery, or mail order. So you need to then review your prescription, pickup or delivery details, and any of the information that will be shown on the screen, then submit the refill request. Now once Costco pharmacy processes the request, you will receive an update when your prescription is ready for pickup or available for delivery. For the eligible orders, you can also use the QR code which is sent by text to complete the transaction at the pharmacy. Now, you don't necessarily need a Costco membership to refill prescriptions through Costco pharmacy, but the prescription must be eligible to be filled by Costco pharmacy. So you need to keep this thing in mind. Thanks for watching.